Hello guys, this is Miwako and welcome to my first ever video of YouTube. And today we are going to talk about the Gamer Girl monthly subscription box. And what is this about? It is a video game geeky related items for girls. This is about 13 bucks plus shipping. And this one is the monthly subscription box. You can choose from 3 months, 6 months, up to 1 year subscription. Every month there is a theme. For this first month of the year, January 2016, the theme is heroine. I don't know, it can be about Samus, Legend of Zelda, which I wish it was about. I don't know. What I know is that I'm very excited and I need to know what this is inside. So, scissors, box, let's find out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. First we got a welcome. Gamer Girl Monthly Heroines January 2016. I don't know if you guys can see. So first we got some stickers from Tomb Raider, and this is Zoe from the zombie game. Forgot the name. I don't know if you can see this. Can you? So yeah, pretty cute. It looks handmade. It has six stickers. It can be useful. Oh yeah, let's see. Now we got the bag. It's very cute. It has like a power Supergirl. Very cute. So let's see what's inside. This is cool. Oh, okay. It is like 2-in-1. We have a bracelet, player 1 and player 2. Like, that is so cool. If you have a best friend and he's a gamer as well, you guys can really rock this out. Or if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, that is going to be a very cool and cute at the same time. I don't know, just wanna try this out. It looks very nice. It is. Let me take this out of the back. Okay, almost. I really like this. Like, it's very casual. Can take this to work. I think it looks very cool. So, moving on. Okay, moving on. We have a big necklace. You guys can see. It is very detailed. And it looks very high quality though. And like I said, it's kind of heavy. It's awesome. I'm gonna try this out as well. I'm gonna rock this out. So, dun, 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 dun. So, pretty cool. Look at that. So, what's next? A ring. A treasure ring. Look at that. It reminds me of Legend of Zelda. Is this from Legend of Zelda? I don't know. Very cool. Finally, we got a pin. It says Gamer Girl Monthly, January 2016. And the team heroine. Very cool design. So guys, what do you think about it? Did you like it? Did you not? What were you expecting of the box? Do you think it is worth it? Like, it's about fixing bugs? I don't know. Anything that you want to say, please say on the comment below. Overall, I'm happy with the box. Like, the only thing that I did not like is the stickers, just because I'm not a big fan of these characters in particular. But what can I say? Everything else, I really love it. So guys, if you love this video or like it, please subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.